Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to discuss about another two investment stocks. The first stock will be Sun TV. Let's do a weekly time frame analysis on this stock. So as you guys can see on the chart, the stock was making higher highs and it has made a consolidation more than 10 weeks. And that to be, it has made a consolidation at its resistance. And today it has given a very good breakout with very good volume. So you guys can go long on this trade, having an SL of 525, and according to technical analysis this stock can reach up to 800, but for safer targets you can guys have a target of 750. And the next stock that we're going to discuss is M&M Finance. Let's do a daily time frame analysis on this stock. So in the chart, the M&M Finance from the last few days it was making lower lows and it is trying for a reversal. If you observe properly, it is making a reversal from its buying zone. So you guys can go long on this trade, having an SL of 142. And if you see the trade in respect to risk to reward ratio, it's an excellent trade. The minimum target will be 170 and the second target will be 190. And we also put investment calls on our Telegram channel. So if you guys want to check out our Telegram channel, I will leave the link in the description. Please feel free to check it out. Thank you.